parents, it's Miss Gonzalez. I wanted to make a quick video to just kind of introduce the new homework to kind of make sure everybody knew what to do. Your teacher emailed you a copy of the homework digitally so that you could have the links to Spelling City and to Symbaloo. I'm going to go ahead and start with Spelling City and then go from there. So Spelling City, you do not have to log in with anything. All you have to do is follow this link and it will take you straight to my lists. So I have a lot of lists here, but the only one you and your child need to worry about for homework are going to be the ones at the top that say spelling and the date of the words. So your child was either assigned 8 words, 10 words, or 12 words. So depending on what list your child got, you go to the games section. And in the games, your child can play any of these, and when they finish, screenshot the score or email your teacher with the score that they got, like 9 out of 10, 12 out of 12, whatever it was, and that will be how your child gets credit for this assignment. In the future, we'll be asking parents to print these by themselves. So for example, if you decided to complete the handwriting practice on Spelling City, you would go to the Spelling City link. You would click on the spelling list with the games, and here you have handwriting. So if you click handwriting, it'll generate a list for you, and you can print this list out for your child, and your child can do their spelling handwriting practice through Spelling City at home. So that's pretty much Spelling City. One more time, you don't have to log in. If you ever get to Spelling City and you don't have the link for whichever reason, you can go to the search part and go to teachers and parents, or even schools. Schools is probably better because it turns out there's a lot of Gabriela Gonzalez's. So all you do is you put in Manford Williams Elementary, submit. And the school will pop up. You click the school and you find me. And I am right here, Gabriela Gonzalez. And it should take you straight back to the list. So that's pretty much it for Spelling City. The next website we're going to intro this week is Symbaloo. And Symbaloo, all it does is it kind of like bookmarks the links to the games that we'll be adding throughout the year to one page. So any one of these games that you click will count for grammar practice, same thing like Spelling City. All you have to do is either send the score to your teacher or send a screenshot or a picture from your phone. So any of these work. The only thing is that ABC does not work on tablets because they want you to pay for a subscription. So this one is a desktop only game. Other than that, that's pretty much all of the homework. If you have any additional questions, please email your teacher. Also, if paperless homework is not an option for you and your family, please also contact your child's teacher so that we can make sure that we print out the assignments for you. And that's pretty much all I have for you.